Thanks for coming back, guys. Today we're going with a rum-based cocktail, and this is actually the first cocktail recipe that I came up with on my own, and it's called Queen Things. Let's start with filling up our glass with ice and getting it chilled. Here is what makes our whole drink, cardamom pods, also called the Queen of Spices. We're going to take 5 of them and toss them in the shaker. Now add 2 ounces of lightly aged rum. I'm using Flor de Caña, but Bacardi Gold or something similar can also be used. Now we'll take a muddler and gently crack open the cardamom pods to release more of that flavor. Now we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon and mint green tea. And then we got 3/4 of an ounce of a thick Demerara sugar syrup. So a thick syrup is going to be 2 to 1, so twice the amount of sugar as water. Then it's 1/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Take a cinnamon stick, crack it, then toss it inside the shaker tin with everything else. Add ice and shake well. So for this, you're going to want to make sure that you have a fine mesh strainer. Remember the cardamom pods that we cracked up earlier? Yeah, we don't want little bits of that in our mouth. Something that can also help is a tightly coiled Hawthorne strainer. See the difference? This one on the right versus this one on the left is going to let ice chips and muddled ingredients pass through. We don't want that. And when we're doing a cocktail where we muddle almost anything, I prefer to use both. So for this, we're going to garnish with a new cinnamon stick and also a dehydrated lemon wheel. If you don't have that, a fresh one works just as well. And there it is, Queen Things. Hope you guys like it.